Welcome all of you. Today we are discussed about the introduction to the subject and syllabus of electrical material and wiring practices. So let's start. Myself Vaswadi Yogesh, lecturer from Electrical Engineering Department, SRT Polytechnic, Yedrao. First, we know the subject details, in which our branch name or program name is Electrical Engineering Program, and the program code or branch code is EE, means Electrical Engineering. Next is course title or subject title is Electrical Material and Wiring Practices. The subject or course abbreviation is EMW, means Electrical Material and Wiring Practices. It is the short form of subject. Next is course code. Course code is 22328. Next point is significance of subject, in which indicate the importance of subject, means why this EMW subject is included in our syllabus, in which first point is diploma electrical students are, when working in large or small scale industry, they should be well equipped with skill or wiring related to the electrical engineering field. That means students acquire proper skill about electrical material and wiring, so that they face any problem related to the electrical wiring and material. Next point is student should follow the safe practices at the time of working, so that it will be reduces the chances of accidents. That means students should follow the safety rules while working in electrical field. They wear proper safety accessories, use proper safety tools to reduce the accidents. Next is they should be able to select the relevant electrical material for specific work. That is, at the time of engineer working in industry, then they should be select relevant and proper electrical material for completion of work. Proper conducting material which carry the electrical current, magnetic material which is used in motor, generator and transformer, or insulating material which is isolate the conducting part from the machine body. Our next point is they should be able to select proper wiring accessories for different electrical or maintenance work. Student should be select proper wiring accessories such as switches, switch gears, protective devices, plug, socket, wire, cable, MCB, ELCBs, etc. Our next point is they should be well understand the specification of material and accessories as per the application. Specification of material, in which material current rating, voltage rating, resistance, size, temperature withstand capacity, or the life of the material is important. Our next point is students should performing the different wiring or cabling activities with safe practices. Wiring and cabling activities means cable or wire laying methods, type of wiring, wire joints, wiring methods, how to read the wiring diagram, how to select the wiring methods, etc. Our next point is student should know about the proper earthing procedure and its importance, so that student should know about the new methods of earthing, how to maintain it, how to find out the earth resistance, etc. This is the main significance of electrical wiring and material. Next is the teaching and examination scheme, in which 3 lectures and 4 practical hours per week allotted for this subject. Tutorial hours is not given for this subject. Next is total theory marks for this subject is 100 marks, in which marks required for passing is 40 marks. In theory paper examination, the theory paper is for 70 marks. This theory paper conducted at the end of the semester, that is ESC, for the 70 marks, and the paper writing time is 3 hours, in which minimum passing marks required 28 for this subject. Under this progressive assessment, marks out of 30 marks, 10 marks for the micro project assessment, and remaining 20 marks is the average of 2 class tests. Marks will be considered. Next is total marks for the practical is 100 marks. The marks required for passing is 40 marks, in which under the progressive assessment 50 marks depends on the performance of practical and manual completion. Minimum marks required for the passing in progressive assessment is 20. Remaining 50 marks for in semester exam, in which practical test and oral is carried out internally. No external assessment, practical and oral is assigned for this subject. The marks required for the passing ESC is 20 marks. Next is theory content. Content to be covered in this subject. First is unit number 1. Wiring components, tools and safety devices. The lecture allotted for this unit is 8 hours. 1.1 IE rule for safety. The recommended IE rule for safety is IE rule 1956. In this, safety rules and standards are explained. 1.2 Safety tools used in wiring. Plier, nose plier, cutter, insulation remover, screwdriver, tester, test lamp, crimping tool, continuity tester, wire gauge and knife. In this point, safety tools with their specification and application is explained. Next is 1.3. Here safety accessories, safety hand gloves, safety boots, safety goggles, safety rubber mats are explained with their use and applications. Next is 1.4, in which components with specification used in wiring system. In this, different types of ICDP switches, the distribution box or board, MCB, RCB, ELCB, switches, plug, sockets, holder, wire and cable is explained with their specification and their application. In this unit, number of components and their application, specification and how it is used is explained, as well as how to follow the safety rules is also explained. Our next unit is conductor and electromagnetic material, unit number 2. The lecture allotted for this unit is 12 hours. (2.1) Properties of conducting materials. The properties of conducting materials is divided in electrical, mechanical, thermal properties of conducting materials, in which salient features of the given type of conductor with respect to the needed functional properties explained. 2.2 Conducting material and their application, in which copper, aluminum, tungsten, brass, bronze, mercury, silver, lead, nickel and tin is conducting materials with their specification and their properties are explained, in which the properties of various types of conducting material explained. 2.3 types of magnetic material. Here divide different types of magnetic material classified: ferromagnetic material, paramagnetic material, and diamagnetic material. In this, salient features of electromagnetic material in the given electrical engineering field is explained. Next is 2.4 properties and explanation of magnetic material, in which magnetization curve, magnetic hysteresis and hysteresis loss, as well as magnetostriction of material and loss of magnetism is explained. Here various electromagnetic materials with their properties and hysteresis loss, hysteresis loop are drawn. Okay, next is 2.5. In 2.5, typical hysteresis loop for ferromagnetic materials is given, and drawing various types of hysteresis loop for hard steel, wrought iron, and alloyed steel. CRGO silicon steel and HRGO silicon steel materials are explained. Next is unit number 3, insulating material. The lecture allotted for this unit is 10 hours. 3.1, significance and properties of electrical insulating material, in which electrical, mechanical and thermal properties explained, which is required for the selection of insulating material. 3.2, thermal classification of insulators and classes of insulator. Here classify the insulators according to their temperature, withstand capacity, and classify the insulators according to gaseous, liquid and solid insulator. Next is 3.3, dielectric failure of insulating material in gaseous state, solid state and liquid state. The dielectrical failure happen when the voltage is greater than withstand capacity of insulating material. 3.4, application of insulating material in electrical machines and devices. That means what type of insulators or insulating material used in particular application of electrical appliances or devices. Next is unit number 4, electrical wiring. The lecture allotted for this unit is 10 hours. 4.1, types of wires and cables, components and accessories of electrical wiring system. In this 4.1, explain the criteria for selection of wire or cable and other electrical component for the given type of installation. Next is 4.2, in which basic electrical parts and equipment in electrical system. In this point, various types of electrical diagrams and their types as well as equipment used in electrical system is explained. Next point is 4.3, in which electrical wiring system such as casing and caping etc. are explained. That is, various types of electrical wiring systems or electrical wiring methods are explained. Next point is 4.4, electrical wiring types, one lamp control, staircase and go down wiring, in which wiring types as per the functional requirement of the given type of equipment is explained. 4.5, cable laying, cable joint and termination, cable lugs, proper size of lugs, crimping of joints is explained. That is, cable laying methods, their joints and terminations, and the size of cable according to the cable size, and how we crimp the joint or crimp the lugs is explained. Next is unit number 5. Is unit number 5 earthing system is explained, in which 5.1 types of earthing system. Here necessity of the earthing system as well as types of earthing system in given electrical installation is explained, as well as the types of earthing systems, their applications is explained. 5.2 installation of earthing system. How earthing systems are installed according to their use and application as well as their situation. 5.3 testing or measurement of earthing resistance for various installation as per IE rules. Here describe the testing procedure for the given earthing system, how to test it, and what is requirement of earthing resistance is explained. 5.4 significance and adverse effect of improper earthing system, that is disadvantages of improper earthing system is explained, and their importance of earthing system and how earthing is improved methods also explained. Next is suggested specification table for question paper design. Here total 70 marks classified according to the unit is mentioned. First unit is wiring component, tools and safety devices. Lectures hours is 8 and 14 marks allotted for this unit. Second number, conductors and electromagnetic material, 12 lecture hours and 14 marks allotted for this unit. Unit number 3, electrical insulating materials, 10 lectures hours and 16 marks allotted for this unit. Unit number 4, electrical wiring, 10 lecture hours and 14 marks is allotted for this unit. Fifth number, earthing system, 8 lecture hours and 12 marks allotted for this unit. Total 70 marks theory paper. Exam will be conducted at the end of the semester. Next is the list of practicals, in which here only I read the names of practicals which we perform at the time of practical session in laboratory. At that time in laboratory I will explain clearly all these practicals. Practical number 1, use different electrical safety accessories and practices. Next practical is use different types of electrical and electronic tools. Third, test the working of given components, single pole, one way and two way switches and MCB, relevant tools and instruments. Fourth practical, test the working of given component, RCB and ELCB using relevant tools and instrument. Fifth number, measure conductor resistance of cable using Kelvin double bridge. Sixth number, use the Megger to measure the insulation resistance of cable. 7 number, use the Wheatstone bridge to measure resistance of conductor bundle to determine per unit length of the resistor. Next is 8 number practical, use Wheatstone bridge to measure resistance of conductor bundle to determine per unit length. 2 specimen of different cross section area, that is practicals number 7 and 8, same practicals, but the cables or wires size is different for those practicals. Practical number 9, select and place relevant fuse in different lighting system. 10 number, use the coil over the core arrangement to determine the iron losses per unit weight of first electromagnetic specimen. 11 number practical, use the coil over the arrangement to determine the iron loss per unit weight of second electromagnetic specimen. 10 and 11 number practicals both are same, but on various or different material. In this practical we use practical number 12. Select insulating material for specific application. From given sample, at least 5 samples collected. Practical number 13. Investigate and record observation. A cable failure by insulation breakdown. First case. And practical number 14. Investigate and record observation a cable failure by insulation breakdown. Second case. Practical number 15. Dielectrical strength test of one insulating oil sample. Next is practical number 16. Dielectrical strength test of two different insulation oil samples of varied usage. Practical number 17. Prepare staircase wiring and testes. Practical number 18. Prepare godown wiring and testes. Practical number 19. Prepare switchboard containing 4 switches, 4 sockets arrangement with fuse indicator, internal wiring, etc. Practical number 20. Prepare fluorescent tube, light fixtures, wiring and testes. Practical number 21. Perform cable laying from incoming bus to machine installation. 22. Perform cable laying from incoming mains to residential unit. 23. Trace laid down cables and identifies the path. Practical number 24. Prepare cable joints, different types of joints. Practical number 25. Perform lug crimping for cable lead of specific size. Practical number 26. Perform lug crimping for cable leads of size other than. Practical number 25 and 26 both are same practicals but on different cables. Practical number 27. Perform compound filling and waterproof taping of cable joint. 28. Perform plate earthing for machine in laboratory. 29. Perform plate earthing for a computer center. 30. Perform plate earthing for a building. 31. Test the major earthing system resistance of a computer system or center. 32. Test major earthing system resistance of a building. Marking scheme for the practical based on below performance indicator. Here 50 marks allotted for each practical of this subject. At the end of semester, total practical marks given to the manual is converted into the 50 marks because the marks allotted for practicals progressive assessment is 50. Here performance indicator is given in which weightage is in percentage is given. Total practical marks is 50. Therefore, the 20% means 10 marks for each performance indicator, in which first is plan or draw the wiring circuit. When student draw the wiring circuit technically right, then he got the 10 marks or 20% marks. Then use of relevant wiring tools, that is proper tool used for the wiring practices. 20 marks weightage, 20% weightage and marks for this indicator is 10. Next is follow the safety practices. Student will be follow the safe practices for the working in laboratory. Then he got the 10 marks or 20% weightage. Fourth is timely submission of work. When student timely submit the manual or their practical work, then he got the 20% weightage or 10 marks. Fifth is answer to sample question. At the time of checking of manual, student if the student give the proper answer of questions, then he got the 10 marks. Total marks for each practical is 50. Next is suggested student activities, in which, other than the classroom and laboratory learning, following are the suggested student-related co-curricular activities, in which students should conduct following activities in group and prepare report about 5 pages for each activity. Also collect and record the physical evidence, which will be helpful for their placement interviews. First suggestion is collect from market the catalogs of electrical engineering materials such as conductor and insulator. Students should go to the any electrical shop or from the internet. He collect the catalogs of electrical engineering materials, conductor, insulator or electrical accessories. Next is collect from internet or otherwise information on different electromagnetic material along with the forms in which they are available. In this, students should be collect electromagnetic information from internet or otherwise this information collected from any transformer or motor or generator company of electromagnetic material which are used for the making of electrical machines. Third point is trace the connection diagram of control circuit of any equipment in electrical laboratory. That means from where electrical connection start and where the end of the connection, that is trace the connection as per the diagram of control panel or control circuit with practical connection diagram. Next is make the list of manufacturers of wiring component and accessories. This list student may prepare from internet or they should go to the industry or any electrical shop. Next is make the list manufacturer and supplier of light fittings. And last, collect the information of substation earthing. Next is suggested micro project. Suggested list of micro project is given by MSBT in syllabus, in which students select the micro project from given list or they contact to faculty and take the suggestion regarding micro project. Then he select a project from one of the suggestions given by the faculty or teacher, or student search micro project from internet which is related to the subject is important. A suggestive list of micro project in given year. Similar micro project could be added by the concerned faculty. First, draw labeled lighting circuit diagram. List the accessories used with their specification and complete wiring bar of the following simple electrical circuit on test board with appropriate testing under the guidance of supervisor or teacher. Here, any one of the electrical wiring diagram, that is staircase wiring, godown wiring or jail wiring, etc., student should be perform in laboratory and make and test the circuit from supervisor or teacher. Next is circuit consists of MCB, one lamp holder, one indicator, one 5 ampere pin socket and two 5 ampere single pole switches. This is also test board or circuit make on the wooden board or any type of board. Third is circuit consisting of suitable MCB, one call bell, one indicator, one lamp control from two places, three switches. Two switches are two-way controlled, all for 5 ampere rating. That is this circuit according to the house wiring. Next is circuits consisting of relevant MCB, 15 ampere single pole switch, one indicator, one 5 ampere, one 5 pin 15 ampere power socket. This circuit is for power application, that is power tools or geyser or heater or electrical iron. Next is prepare the series test board containing one lamp, one indicator, one socket for 230 volt operation. Here prepare the series test board for testing the any type of electrical appliances. With the latest techniques in cabling and wiring, in which student search the latest technique from internet or any other electrical working site. Next is suggested learning resources. Means books or internet URL is given, in which the suggested books are Electrical Engineering Drawing, Bhattacharya SK is author for this book. Next is Electrical Wiring Estimation and Costing, SL Uppal or GC Garg. Next is Electrical Workshop. The author name is RP Singh. Fifth is Electrical Estimation and Costing. The author is JB Gupta. The suggested software or learning websites is given here. Student will be search on the internet about the syllabus or about the electrical material and wiring practices. Here our syllabus content is completed.